Tornado warning for southwestern Decatur County, southern Bartholomew County, northeastern Jackson County, central Jennings County, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 8 miles north of Brownstown, or 10 miles west of Seymour, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Seymour, North Vernon, Westport, Jonesville, Hayden, Azalea, Freetown, Cortland, Country Squire Lakes, and Butlerville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 50 and 59. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, and Jennings. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio K.